how to enable live photos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable live photos on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just select settings and privacy. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down to the content and display, and there you can simply tap on accessibility option. And now here, once you are inside this section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down, and there under the motion section, you need to find the option labeled as animated thumbnails. So here, once you have found that option, what you can do is you can simply toggle on that option to enable live animated previews. And that's it. That's how you can enable live photos on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.